Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to change your default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps. Now from here go to choose default apps. Then tap on browser app. Now from here you can change your default browser app. You can see there are two browser apps in my phone. One is Google Chrome and another is Samsung Internet. If you want to set Chrome as your default browser, just select Chrome from here and then go back. And you can see it's changed successfully. Now in my phone default browser app is Chrome browser. Now here at the bottom you can see default for work. Then just tap here. Then select Chrome from here. And it's done. You can also change your default phone app and SMS app from here. And that is how you can change default browser app in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.